Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Julie Samaka with Southern Charm Wreaths. In this video, let's make a multi-ribbon spring bow for your wreaths. Let's get started. 2.5 inch ribbon. Make a little tail, so let's do about a 10-inch tail. And you're going to pinch into your 2 fingers right here, just like that. So now I'm going to lay this on the mat, measure out to the 12-inch mark right here. Take it away from me, pinch it into my 2 fingers, creating a loop below my thumb, I twist towards me. All right, and now we're gonna measure out again, 12 inches on our mat, and take it away from us, and then you're gonna twist it again, just like that. And I'm gonna get my scissors and trim this off. So we've got 2 loops. And then let me see if I can get that fixed just a little bit. Okay, now, same thing. Switch our ribbon up. We're gonna do the exact same thing. Pinch it into our 2 fingers, and then we're going to lay it down on the mat to 12 inches. So this produces a 6-inch loop. And then we're going to twist towards us, down on the mat. Take it away from you, pinch into the 2 fingers, and then we're going to twist and then cut off the bolt. All right, so at this point, it's not looking like a bow, so you have to move your loops over. Don't get out of there. You have to move your loops over, okay? So we're getting our streamers back behind the loops. Let's put our loop over here, this loop over here. All right, just like that. And now we're gonna switch and do, what color do I wanna do? Let's do the lavender. All right, so we're gonna do another, you guessed it, 12 inches. So this produces a 6-inch loop if you're doing a bow maker. "12 inches, pinch, twist, cut." Again, move that loop over. Do not switch hands. Do not switch hands. All right, see how we're forming our bow? All right, we're gonna now switch into another loop. This time I've just decided to go in the opposite direction. It doesn't have to be that way. You can keep doing the same thing, but I just didn't think about it. Twist, oh, we're gonna twist the away from us, and then another 12-inch loop, twist again, and then cut. Get your wire ready. All right, so let's go ahead and put this loop now over on this side, right? Okay, and I think I want to bring in, let's bring in one more loop of this. So we're going to do one more loop of the black. We're going to measure out 10 inches. I should have gotten my ribbon holder. Okay, trim. That's the center. All right, just like that. Now we're going to secure this with wire around all through the loops, and then we're going to twist just like this. So now we have our multi-ribbon spring bow ready to go in our wreath. Yep. And you can dovetail these if you want on the ends by folding, cutting at an angle, and it just makes a little finished end. But that's how you can make a multi-ribbon bow for your spring or summer wreaths. I'm just going to keep moving and fluffing until I like it. If you like this tutorial, make sure to follow along for more. And let me know below what questions you have about your bow making.